Hello, guys, good morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just recording a video. Well, it's not about a blog video, it's actually a bit different. But before I tell you, let me give you a quick story why I'm making this kind of video. You see, I have been procrastinating a lot lately, and it's really starting to get on my nerves. I know I need to act together and stop wasting time. I have lots of vocab in my throats and I can't recall them properly. And honestly, I'm just fed up with my laziness. So, I came up with a plan. Why not make a video which I can include all the phrases? It means that I can kill two birds with one stone. I can practice my phrases and I can make a content for you guys. I'm going to use as many phrases as possible in this video. So I can brush up on my English and you can pick up some new phrases from me. I will put all the phrases at the end or maybe in the description so you guys can take a screenshot or jot them down in your notes. Alright, let's get the ball rolling. And one more thing, you guys notice that I am whispering instead of speaking loudly. That's because my mother woke up at the crack of dawn to pray, so I'm trying to keep my voice down. I will keep in my mind that you guys can hear me clearly, not too loud, not too quiet. All right. Let's see what I'm going to do. I already made my bed, I already brushed my teeth, so I'm thinking to start listening to podcasts because this is the first thing I usually do after waking up. So that's it. I am trying to start my day on the right foot. So I'm going to listen to a podcast and jot down some new vocab I come across. So let's go. So I picked this podcast. It's from All Years. Okay.
Great, Lindsay. How are you? Good. All right, Adam.
All right, I wrapped up listening to the podcast, and it's about how to use the phrase can't help it and can't help but. So, which is really useful phrases. Just finish this one, okay? And now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to eat something. Obviously, I didn't eat anything since I wake up, so I'm going to eat something. Guys, I'm back with my bread and butter. And you know what? There is an idiomatic expression, bread and butter. It's mean your main source of income. So, for example, if I want to say, like for me, YouTube is my bread and butter, even though it's not like I'm not getting paid yet, but hopefully one day. So let's enjoy my bread and butter. All right, I finished my breakfast. Now it's time to hit my books and study for non-stop without any distraction. Yeah, I can do this.
1 hour later.
Okay, guys, I studied for damn 1 hour and I think I did pretty well. No. I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things. So I guess it's time to practice my English. So I'm gonna see you later.
Later.
Alright, guys, quick update. It's evening now. I spent some time practicing my English speaking, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually getting better. Not perfect yet, but we are getting there. There were moments when I sounded confident, and then sometimes where I was like, what did I just say? But yeah, that's part of the process, and the important thing is I showed up, I put the effort, and I didn't let laziness get the best of me today. Also, I have got a small challenge for you guys. Comment below using the phrases I used in this video. Try to make your own sentences. I just want to see your effort. Alright, I'm going to call it a day before I start speaking complete nonsense. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep learning, keep improving, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.